So you guys, I have to go over some of the HOROW shower door features that I know you guys are gonna love. Hardware will not rust for 10 years with a normal use. More modern and hygienic than shower curtains. And it is a premium clear glass, and all materials are lab tested for quality. The stylish design easily adds elegance to your bathroom. Double sliding doors can be installed in a reversible way. Everything is up to your preference.
Like, it is so beautiful and has literally done this bathroom a 360 already. So I know my sister is gonna be super excited when she gets home to see this. They were still working. She left out to go to work. She works the night shift, but I know when she gets back home, she's going to be super, super happy. Let me say this also. They, as you guys saw, were holding the glass, touching the glass, all over the glass. And there is literally minimum fingerprint rails to go inside, but inside and outside. It also has the quality of glass that you need, so it's cutting down on the cleaning. You don't have to worry about the leaks. You don't have to worry about the durability. All those things are just good to go.